It is time to say enough. The voice of the Palestinian people cannot and will not be silenced. We, the representatives of the Islamic world, are here to speak with them and for them. We must not fail the Palestinian people at this critical juncture. We should mobilize all possible humanitarian help for the devastated Palestinian population in Gaza and other parts of the occupied territories. The General Assembly should call for concrete steps to protect the Palestinians. We should deploy an international protection force. If the Security Council cannot agree to send the protection force, a coalition of the willing can be formed to provide at least civilian observers, supervise the provision of humanitarian help to the Palestinians. The Human Rights Council, the ICC, and the ICJ and other avenues should be activated to ensure Israeli accountability for its war crimes. We must revive concrete efforts to end Israel's occupation of the Palestinian territories and to dismantle the illegal settlements and the apartheid-like regime Israel has imposed in the occupied territories. It is therefore imperative to initiate bold steps to secure the implementation of the Security Council and General Assembly resolutions calling for the establishment of a viable, independent, and contiguous Palestinian state with Al-Quds, Al-Sharif as its capital. It is only through determined and decisive action that this Assembly can restore the credibility of the United Nations and demonstrate its effective role in preserving world peace and global order based on equity and justice. I end with a verse from a great resistance poet of Pakistan. "E arz Palestine, मैं भी हाजिर हूँ." O land of Palestine, I too am there for you. I thank you.